Looking to level up your kitchen this month? From time-saving tools to clever space savers, here are the best Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth your money. Let's dive into the game-changing finds that home cooks are loving right now. This powerful 1,000-watt personal blender is built to crush ice and blend smoothies with ease, even on scorching summer days. With a 24-ounce portable cup and 6 stainless steel blades, it's perfect for whipping up everything from fresh fruit juice to baby food. Plus, the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless, making it a reliable companion for both your kitchen and your active lifestyle. Meet the Bella Electric Can Opener, a sleek, one-touch kitchen essential that opens cans of all sizes with ease, thanks to its powerful 60-watt motor and stainless steel blade. Its built-in knife sharpener, hidden cord storage, and removable cutting lever make it as functional as it is tidy. With multiple color options to match your kitchen style, it's a smart and stylish upgrade that also makes a great gift. The Ninja 10-piece cookware set features a durable ceramic lock coating that delivers long-lasting non-stick performance without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, or lead. Designed for healthy, low-oil cooking, these pots and pans are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and work on all stovetops. With cool touch handles and dishwasher-safe cleanup, this set brings convenience, safety, and style to any kitchen. The Kenmore Elite 4-Slice Toaster is a sleek stainless steel must-have with extra-long, self-adjusting slots that toast everything from bagels to artisanal breads to perfection. Its energy-efficient single-slot feature, one-touch, auto-lift, and retractable cord combine convenience with smart design. With a cool-touch exterior, crumb-free top, and precision settings like defrost and bagel mode, this toaster is where form meets function in your morning routine. This 2-piece cushioned kitchen mat set combines comfort and style with its anti-fatigue design, offering soft yet firm support that feels like walking on clouds. Made from premium, durable materials with non-slip backing, these mats stay securely in place even during busy kitchen tasks. Their classic pattern and versatile sizing make them a perfect fit for both home chefs and commercial kitchens alike. Grill like a pro with the Vever hot dog roller, featuring 7 non-stick rollers that cook up to 18 hot dogs at once, perfect for parties, food stands, or family cookouts. Dual temperature knobs allow you to grill and keep food warm simultaneously, while its 360 degrees rotation and 1050-watt motor ensure fast, even cooking every time. With a removable drip tray and optional backsplash, cleanup is quick and your kitchen stays mess-free. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser is a kitchen multitasker, letting you switch between pouring and spraying oil with precision, perfect for roasting, grilling, or dressing salads. Made from BPA-free materials and thick, lead-free glass, it's durable, easy to refill, and designed to reduce mess with a smart nozzle and comfy grip. With each spray releasing just 0.2 grams, it's ideal for controlling oil intake, and it even comes with lifetime support. This food-warming mat keeps meals warm and fresh with 8 adjustable temperature levels, ranging from a gentle 104 degrees to a hot 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for soups, pizza, or breakfast. It heats evenly within 5 seconds, supports all kinds of tableware, and includes safety features like auto shutoff and child-safe controls. Compact, waterproof, and rollable, it's the ultimate companion for family dinners, holiday feasts, and cozy moments in between. The Evolup electric egg cooker makes breakfast a breeze by cooking up to 6 eggs just the way you like, hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled. With its compact size and included accessories like poaching trays and an omelet tray, it's perfect for busy mornings, dorms, picnics, or even small kitchens. Easy to clean and complete with a ready buzzer, this gadget is a must-have for quick, delicious egg dishes any day of the week. Upgrade your coffee routine with this 4-in-1 milk frother and steamer, offering hot froth, cold foam, hot milk, and even a hot chocolate mode, all in one compact device. Made with durable stainless steel, it heats and froths milk quickly and quietly, delivering creamy textures for lattes, cappuccinos, and chilled drinks alike. Whether you're sipping on a morning latte or winding down with hot cocoa, this frother brings barista-level comfort to your kitchen. This hot plate gripper is a must-have kitchen tool designed to safely lift hot bowls, plates, and trays from microwaves, steamers, and air fryers without burning your hands. Made from thickened stainless steel with a wavy non-slip grip, it holds securely and allows one-handed use for effortless control. Its adjustable angle and heat-resistant build make meal prep safer, cleaner, and way more convenient. This 11-inch stainless steel whisk with whisk wiper revolutionizes kitchen prep by making cleanup fast, mess-free, and oddly satisfying. The patented whisk wiper not only wipes the whisk clean in seconds, but also saves your ingredients, prevents drips, and doubles as a spatula for scraping bowls, even those with edges. Now upgraded with the dual whisk design, it whisks like a pro with dual rows of wires for quicker, smoother results.